Yo, what's up, moneymakers? Ever looked at your Acorns account and wondered, is my money safe here? I mean, let's be real, when it comes to your hard-earned cash, you want to know it's in good hands, right? Today, we're diving deep into the world of Acorns to figure out just how much money is safe to stash in there. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why this even matters. Acorns is a popular investing app that lets you round up your purchases and invest the spare change. It's a cool concept, no doubt, but safety is always a concern when you're talking about your money. So, how does Acorns protect your cash? First things first, let's talk about FDIC insurance. Your Acorns checking account is FDIC insured up to $250,000 per depositor. This means that if the bank holding your money goes belly up, the FDIC will reimburse you for your losses, up to that amount. So, your everyday spending cash is pretty secure. But what about your investments? That's where things get a little more complicated. Acorns is a member of SIPC, which stands for Securities Investor Protection Corporation. SIPC insurance protects your securities, like stocks and bonds, up to $500,000. However, it's important to note that SIPC doesn't insure the value of your investments. It only covers the cash value of your securities if your brokerage firm goes bust. So, to recap, your cash in Acorns checking is FDIC insured up to $250,000, and your investments are SIPC insured up to $500,000. But remember, these insurances only cover the money, not the value of your investments. Now, you might be wondering, is that enough? Well, it depends on your financial situation. If you're just starting out and only have a few $100 in Acorns, you're probably covered. But if you've been investing for a while and have a significant amount of money in there, you might want to consider diversifying your investments across multiple platforms. Another thing to keep in mind is that while Acorns uses encryption to protect your personal information, there's always a risk of cyber attacks. It's important to be aware of these risks and take steps to protect yourself, like using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. So, is Acorns safe? The short answer is yes, but it's important to understand the limitations of the insurance coverage and to take steps to protect your own financial well-being. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on hustling and growing that money.